Many of you reached out on my last post where I was talking about if standing, walking, or running created discomfort and asked what you can do about it. So I wanted to make this video as a follow-up to help answer that. The first thing that needs to happen when restoring this problem is first understanding, like this guy did, that there is no fix this problem in these 3 exercises. Well, why is that? What we are talking about here is hundreds of muscles not being able to work well together as a team. Hence why you're seeing the entire musculoskeletal system shift out of alignment. This is an ankle, knee, hip, pelvis, spine, and shoulder problem. Now, if you actually want to resolve a problem like this, you have to approach it using a system. A program to follow on a daily basis that gets all of these muscle groups to learn how to work together. Fix this will require a process for you to follow that relaxes the strength of these imbalances, then shows you new, more optimal ways at moving. And this process needs to be followed for at least a minimum of a few months, if not longer, until your body has had the time to adapt. And like most problems with the body, it takes time, effort, and consistency to create a change. If you're looking for a process to follow that solves problems exactly like this, then do exactly what he did. Click the link in my bio, check out my website, learn about my online programs, and allow me to show you exactly what you can do on a daily basis to restore this.